Rustic cottage style is a timeless and charming interior design theme that is inspired by the simplicity and beauty of nature. It captures the essence of cozy, countryside living and often incorporates natural textures, earthy colors, and vintage elements to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Welcome to a new video with a new tour of the Gayle's house, who restored his 350-year-old house in the English countryside, inspired by natural materials and nature. Originating from rural homes and cottage, rustic style emphasizes a connection to the outdoors. It is characterized by the use of organic materials like wood, stone, and leather, as well as the incorporation of natural elements such as plants, animal motifs, and floral patterns. The focus is on creating a sense of comfort, coziness, and casual living. Key features of rustic style include exposed wooden beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and rough-hewn finishes. The color palette is typically warm and earthy, with shades of brown, green, and cream dominating the space. Textiles like wool, linen, and burlap are commonly used for upholstery, curtains, and bedding, adding to the cozy and rustic feel. Do you like this style? Follow these 10 tricks to have a cozy house decorated in a rustic style. 1. Opt for natural materials. Use wood, stone, and brick elements to create a rustic look. Incorporate hardwood floors, exposed wooden beams, and stone walls if possible. 2. Use vintage and repurposed furniture. Incorporate vintage furniture pieces or repurpose old items to give a rustic feel. Look for distressed or weathered finishes. 3. Create a focal point with a fireplace. If possible, include a fireplace to act as a centerpiece in the room. Use a wooden or stone facade to enhance the rustic style. 4. Embrace earthy colors. Choose a color palette inspired by nature, including warm earth tones like browns, greens, and neutrals. 5. Add cozy textiles. Incorporate soft and warm fabrics like wool, faux fur, and chunky knit blankets to create a cozy atmosphere. 6. Integrate rustic accessories. Use items like lanterns, mason jars, old books, and vintage signage to add rustic charm to your space. 7. Include natural lighting. Maximize natural light by incorporating large windows and sheer curtains. Use pendant lights or Edison bulbs to enhance the rustic atmosphere. 8. Showcase nature. Bring elements of the outdoors inside by adding plants, flowers, and natural or floral patterns in your decor. 9. Use rustic artwork and decor. Hang vintage artwork, landscape paintings, or rustic signs to add personality and a rustic touch to your walls. 10. Layer textures and patterns. Mix textures such as distressed wood, fur, and rough fabrics, and incorporate patterns like plaid, stripes, or floral prints to add depth and visual interest to your space. In summary, rustic style is all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects the beauty of nature. It embraces natural materials, earthy colors, and vintage elements to bring the charm of the countryside into your home. Whether you're looking to create a cozy cabin retreat or add a touch of rustic flair to your urban dwelling, this design style can perfectly capture the comfort and tranquility of a natural setting.